Okay. My name is Xinghao.
My name is Yixian.
And yeah, today we are going to finish the first two parts of the homework 3. I hope if we can make some progress, we can also finish the third part. I hope so.
Yes.
Um, okay, so let's look at the instruction of the homework. So for the part 1, we need to sort the list of the movie. And it says we should make the column headings for the movie and the release date into a clickable link. Okay, so I think we should first go into the hw template, right?
Yes.
And
Let's first see what it looks like.
oh, sure, yeah.
I think you can run the command.
Okay, let's check what is the command because I cannot
Yes.
remember that.
It's in the part 0A.
Okay, part 0. For 0A and
The bottom.
the bottom.
Use Rails.
Okay, the
This one.
Rails S-P, right?
Yes.
Is that
Yes.
line? Okay. Copy and paste.
And click
So what should I do? Then
click that pop out with that link.
I'm sorry, I don't have any pop-out.
What?
Really, I don't have any pop-up.
It's on your
Um,
terminal. I can see it.
you can see it, but in fact, I cannot
It's
see.
a Cloud9 help. Your code is running at.
Okay, let me check. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Okay,
Oh.
what's the problem? Do you have the correct version of this homework? Because if you download it from the GitHub, I think it should run, right? So could you? So let's just delete this part and clone it from the repository.
Okay. Just delete this one.
Yeah, delete this copy.
Okay.
Did you clone it from the homework 3 or your? Did you run the bundle install without production?
I think I do that.
Oh, okay. I see that.
You can.
Oh, okay. I see it. Yeah, this time it works correctly.
Yes.
And then, okay, so the first step, I think we should add the link to this column headings, right? These two, the movie title and the release date. I think it will be pretty similar to the last one, right? You can see that there's a link to more about the movie title. And so I think the first step is just add a link to the movie title and the release date. And we can just run it and see, did it work? Okay, there's no changes. Is it? What's the problem?
I think the link to the syntax of link to is two part. I think.
It's two part. So
Yeah, because when you see, because we'll see the last line
okay.
of that. It has a link to and the double quote and something and the semicolon.
Yeah.
And then moving past something.
Yeah. And
So I think.
but I think the first one is just some kind of string, right? And the second part is where it should goes to, right? But if I just want to, just create a link without a jumping or redirection, so oh, okay. Wait, I add the link to in the wrong place. So this is the body, right? So which means this is the content of this table, and we should put it into the hat. Yeah.
I see that.
I made this mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think we should change it to the string. Right, so that they're exactly the same except the last one.
Yes.
And let's just run it again.
I think you can directly refresh what you just opened.
So refresh can work, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this is. But why it will looks like this one? The link to will not become a link. It just directly show up in this page. So do you think we should add the parentheses? Does it work? And you mean if we refresh this page, it will? Okay, also doesn't work.
It's just add.
So what's the difference?
Is the syntax of link to correct?
I think it is correct because they're the same as you can see the more about the movie title, and I think they're the same. So we just delete this parentheses. Probably it is not correct. Um, um, okay. Any other difference?
Oh, did you miss the equal sign?
Okay. Okay. So this is the T. So the equal. Is it necessary or not?
I
So okay, I remember the equal sign means we should execute the Ruby code, right? Okay, we just want to make it the same as the last one, so we just put the equal sign like this one. Okay. Now it will be exactly the same, right?
yeah.
The TD equal link to and the string. So this one is the th equal link to a string. Okay. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, yeah. This time it works. So yeah, it's just a link. There's no new address it should go to. So okay, and then the next step is we need to. So what's the next step? Um, so click one of them should cause the list to be reload, and but sorted in ascending order on that column. So now we should um, sort it if we click it, right? So I think it will be pretty easy. So if we click this link, we still need to go to the index page, right? We just have a different order of this content. So so we need to specify the new address, which is still the index. So I think we should. Could you check what is the what is how to finish this part? Because I think there's some information in the book.
Just not sure.
What is this one? Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, nothing happened. Okay. Yeah, there's a problem. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Uh, movie dot find ID Um, okay, so probably we go to the wrong one, right? Because we should not go to the show. We should go to the index. So I think we should check the book, right?
So you mean is what we put in the movie pass?
No, I mean, we should get the correct REST API for that. I will check the book. So we should go to the index, right? So it will be movies parts. Movies parts. This will also be movies. Yes. Okay, let's refresh it. Um, yeah, I think this time we don't get any error message, so yeah, just we just assume that it works. Um, and then we should sort it, right? Yeah.
I think F1 should become yellow.
Um, become yellow. Okay, this is the next thing we should do. Yeah, we should first focus on how to, sort it.
Yeah.
Um, so if we want to show the film, we will query the database and get the data, right? And then we just show it one by one. So um,
I think we should pass something to the controller.
wait, you mean we should first go to the controller?
Yes.
So which one?
Movies controller.
Okay, movies controller and so index.
I think currently the index just
Show
lists all the
okay.
movie, and I think we need to change here and something and
Yeah,
let it sort
let
by
it
itself.
sort. So I think there's something on the Slack. The professor say we should use the order method. So let's just have a try. I'm not sure. So do we still need the or?
No.
Okay, let me just check it again. Um, okay, nothing at here. So I just assume we need the or because we still need all movie, but just in different orders. So order, how to make it, how do we know if we just first want to sort the movie titles? So I think there's some parameter in this order, right?
Title.
Okay, so you mean title? So we just
lowercase.
directly enter the
Yeah.
title. Does it work?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Okay. Oh yes, really, it works. But why? But why enter a title? It will works.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works. You can check. Everything is in order, right?
Can you close it and then reopen?
Okay. You mean close this page?
Yes, because the first time it's in order.
Yeah, of course,
Okay.
because we just sort it at the beginning. Yeah, you can see it is in order, right? It is correct.
So you mean the first time you go in, you
Oh, yeah, I'm just having test. I'm not finished the first part.
okay.
Okay, so this time I think the order will work, but what about the date? So I just comment out this one.
Yes, just change it to release date.
Okay,
Please.
do we need the hyphen? Okay. Okay, let's have a try.
Yes. I think it's correct.
Okay, but why? But why we should? But why it works? I cannot find anywhere about the title and the release data. So should we go to the database?
I think it's there are automatic
Really? Because
mapping this.
yeah, at first I just think is it in the schema. So if it in the schema of the database, we can.
Yes.
Okay.
Probably.
Yeah, but how you find it?
Convention over that
What? Convention over configuration?
Yeah.
But that's not a convention, right?
It's because you order and they are same because you order by title and in the database schema here's the title and then it will order itself. And if you change it to the release date, and it will arrange it by the release date.
Okay, anyway, as long as it works.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it works.
All right, so now we have find a way to order everything, but we need to pass some parameter from the template so that we can make sure that if we click the movie title, it will sort the title. If we click the release date, it will sort the date. But how to pass the parameter from the view to controller? And I think you can see the last one, it is linked to, and this is more about movie title and address, but there's no parameter. So So how to pass the parameter? Could you check it online? Because I'm sharing the screen. If I switch to the other um, application, it will the broadcast will become something weird. Um,
This one.
okay. It looks like some hash. So, do you mean this one? I'm not sure if I'm wrong, so you can just correct it. Okay. Is it what you mean? So the first one is a string, and then it will go to another string, right? Okay. So, but what about the controller? So how can it receive these parameters? I think there's something I found it, in shows, it just say the param and then ID. So can we do the same thing here? So I mean, just if the param, and I think you use the sort pattern. So just sort pattern and equal to title, and then I just do this else. I just say this is equal to the or. Let's have a try. It says unexpected end of input. Okay, I missed an end. All right, and then I just click the title.
It has parameter.
Yeah, it has some parameter. You can see that from the address, but okay, it didn't receive by the controller. So probably we don't have the correct variable name.
I think you're wrong, because if the sort pattern is title, then you order by release date.
Oh,
I think.
oh, and wait.
And we should.
And title is
yes,
TRT.
yes.
I made a typo. Okay. Switch.
No.
I know what you mean, but I just make a typo. Okay, let's just refresh it. Oh, yes. As long as we pass the parameter to the controller, it will be sort by the title, right? So we just do the same thing for the release date. For date.
No.
What?
I think is that because when you see the instruction, they're important for grading purposes.
Okay, where?
So title header.
Okay, important for grading purpose. So, okay, the first one should be core.
Title header.
No, it just say we should have a HTML element ID, which is called the title header. Okay. So it doesn't matter.
Okay.
With the parameter. Okay, so we just need else if params. So the sort pattern equal to
Release date.
Yeah, but it will be date. Yeah, and we just copy the last line to here. They all agree?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we just go to the movies. Everything is not in order, and then we just click the title. Yes, it is. The title is in order.
Yes.
And then I just click the release date. Okay, date is in order, so this one is good. Right?
Yes.
So what's the next? Clicking the... Okay, we have finished the first paragraph. And then
That's the selected one on yellow.
Yeah, we should have a yellow background, and we also need to change the class of that part, right? Because we HILITE, and then we should add something in the CSS file. So we just add it first because this is much more simpler. So where's the CSS file? So I think it's the assets style sheet. Which one? Let me check. Assets style sheet and default.css.
I already done that.
Oh, you have already done that? Yeah. Oh, okay. And okay, the next step is we need to add just add the class to this element. So I think we should do something in this template.
Yes.
So I remember. So you can see the table. The table has a pound and then a movies, and this word means ID, right? And then we just need to do the similar things to the classes. So if we want to add something to the table header, we just need. So, but how to add a class? So how to add a class? Do you have any ideas?
Change. So, so, so you mean now if
We just want to first figure out how to add a class. So you just add some class.
what do you mean add some class? What do you mean?
So I mean, just add a class to the movie title. We don't need to. It just by default, right?
Now you have already done it because when you click it, it will sort.
Yeah, I mean, we need to add a class so that the background will change to yellow, right?
Oh.
Because we can see from the CSS file, the table has a ID which is called movie, and then the title, no, the table header with a class, this one will change to yellow, right?
Oh.
So which means we first need to add a class to it, right? And then we just need to figure out how to add a class to a table header. And then we can make some condition to say, okay, if we click the title, then the title column will change to yellow. And if we click the data, and the date will change to yellow, right? But why we need the parentheses? Because it is a hash, right? Refresh it. Okay, it becomes something like this one.
Go on.
Okay.
The equal sign.
Okay, still doesn't work.
It's turn yellow.
Yeah, it turns yellow, but the rest of the code doesn't work. If it looks like this one, then this. Yeah, because I think there's some space between the equal sign and the code.
Oh.
So we cannot put them together.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, and then we just need to figure out, if we click the title, right, then we will pass everything to the controller, and the controller will sort the list. And then, but how do we know that, we click the title if we go back to the index again? Do you understand what I mean? Because this is REST, right? We use the REST. So we should pass all the information we need in one request. Okay, but first we can just copy this part to the release date. I think we should pass something from the movie controller. So I think if we can, pass something from view to controller, we can also pass something from controller to view.
Yes.
And I think you can see that in the body. So the first line of the body says the movies, right? So I think this movies is the same as the movie in the index, right? Because we should get all the movie from the database, right?
Yes.
So does it mean we can directly use the variable in the controller? So if I just add some new variable in this index, and then it will be directly read from the video.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So. So we just create a new variable which is called. So we should give it a name. So pattern, part pattern is equal to start pattern. I think we should use the square
bracket.
Oh yeah. Square brackets and double quotes. Okay, so first we get the pattern, right? And then and we can just change everything to pattern. And then this pattern will be read from the view, right? So we can say if the pattern in the index is title, so we just add this class to the title head column, and if it is date, we just add the class to the release date. But is it possible that we can add some if statement here, like the if the pattern are equal to title, and then we just let me just have a try. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's bad. Okay. So is it possible to add some kind of condition to this part? Because I think if we can add the condition, we just finish the first part.
Maybe change the order.
Oh no, I mean just you mean change order. So do you mean put it at the end?
Yes.
Okay. So but why we should put it okay, just have a try. I'm not sure. What?
Still has a problem.
Still has the problem? Okay. So probably this is not correct.
The parentheses?
The parentheses? So where should I add the parentheses? Here? Are you sure? Okay, okay, I'm not sure. Okay, just let's have a try. Okay. All right. The release date becomes yellow at the beginning, but that's not correct, right? Oh, okay. We should also add this one. If you think it is correct, we should also add it to the release date. And we should change it to date, because I think the pattern will be either title or date. And okay. Okay, and then we just click the title. Okay, yeah. The background of the title becomes yellow, and then we just click the release date. Okay. Yeah, it is correct. Okay, so the results should something looks like this one, and I think we are the same as what he expected, right? And then it says something important for grading purpose.
Wait a minute.
What?
When you doesn't sort, you click
Really?
yes.
Oh,
It doesn't sort.
oh, okay. So it doesn't sort. Okay, this is pretty weird. So there's something wrong
It
with
turns
the
yellow, but doesn't sort.
yeah. Is something wrong with the controller? Okay, I think we just this. Oh, I got a problem. So this should be the pattern. And this also should be pattern. Okay. Then we can, yeah, you can see this time it becomes yellow and everything is in order. And click the release date. Okay, I think the date is in order and the background becomes yellow. Okay.
Yeah, but how about that important for grading purposes?
I think it just adds some element ID to this title header, table header, right? I think it is the same as the table, right? We can see table and the pound movies, which means it add the ID movies to table. So we just need to do the same thing like here. So I think it's pound and with the title header, right? And the release date header. So title header and release date header. Probably we can check the source code of this page so that we can make sure we actually, add the ID to that element. So I think T body, T head.
T head, I think.
Yeah, and TR. Okay, you can see that ID is equal to title head and ID is equal to release date head. Okay, which means it is good. Okay, this is the. Is there anything else for the part 1? No.
No, I think it's
Okay.
all of it.
Okay, that's great. And yeah, we can commit the first part.
Yes. I don't remember whether I create hero or not.
Okay. Okay. Actually, that's fine. You don't need to deploy it on Heroku because I just want to commit it first so that if we do something stupid later, we can roll back.
So, all just part 1 complete.
Okay. Yeah, that's great.
The hw3.
I don't think we have a method to check, but as long as it says it is committed, so I think it is good enough. And then we just move to the part 2. Okay, for part 2, we need to add some checkboxes so that we can fill the list. So when the refresh button is pressed, the list of the movie will be redisplayed and show the movies with the rating was checked. Okay, I think he provides some codes at here. So it's just a form, right? We just copy it, and I think we should put it in the index. Right?
Yes.
So where should you put? It is the Rotten Potatoes or movies, and then this form, and then the content. So I think we should put it here.
Yeah,
right?
yes, at the beginning.
Yes, just under the title, right?
Yes.
Because there's all movies titles. So we just put it here. Let's see what it happened. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Nothing. And I get an error. No method error. Okay, I think we. Yeah, we.
Is there anything called all ratings?
Yeah, I'm also thinking the same problem. So, we need to have a variable called all ratings. Does that mean we need to have it in the controller?
Probably.
I'm not sure. Just have a try. So I think it's called all ratings, right? All ratings, and it looks like an array, right? Or list, or whatever you call it, but just something that we can use the each method, right? And I think it should contain all the ratings, like the G, PG, PG-13, and R, right? You can.
Yeah, I think according to the instruction, you should create something in the model.
Really? But I think we should in model, but let's just have a try first in the controller. So it will be what first? The G, and what's next? PG, and what?
PG,
dash 13, and
R.
and oh, okay, that's it. All right. Let me just delete everything here. Oh, what's happening?
I think you need to rerun.
Oh yeah, we should rerun it. Okay. Oh yes, you can see that it is correct, but okay, that's great. And then we just need to add some more code for it, because as long as we clicked this checkbox, something will happen, right?
Yeah.
Or refresh? I'm not sure. Refresh is done. So where's the form? Form is. So I think the first thing we need to do is just, you can see that the submit tag and refer. Oh wait, it has already jumped to the movie pass. So I think the first thing we need to do is pretty similar to the part 1, right? Because now we are in the view, right? And then we just submit something
To the controller?
to the controller. Yes, we need to pass the parameters. Yeah, now we just need to know, what rating we have chosen, right? So I think we should store something in the parameter, or just pass something to it. Oh, wait. Could you see the terminal?
Yes.
I think you can see I just submit something, right? And then it says parameters. And the first one is UTF-8, which is checked, and then the ratings. And it says R is equal to 1. I think I just checked R, right? Because, we can do it again. Like we check the G, right? And then refresh. And then you can see the rating becomes G is equal to 1. So I think actually we are passing the parameters, but we need to find a way to receive them, right? So here.
So if you select all the boxes, it will.
Okay, let me just have a try. So all the boxes.
Yes.
And refresh. Yeah, everything.
Oh.
It is something like a hash. So as long as you check something, that will becomes 1, and if you don't, it will become 0.
Oh, it will not appear if you don't select it.
Yeah, I think it will automatically omit something that is 0. So yeah, and I think we should add some code in the controller. So, but how do we receive these parameters? If any, I think that's the same, right? Because you can see the address, the rating, and the ratings. G is equal to 1. So I think so. If the params and the rating are ratings or ratings is ratings. If ratings G is equal to 1, yeah, we need a variable we need an array to store all the selected ratings, right? Select ratings is equal to, it will be first becomes an empty, right? And then if it is 1, I just add it to this. How to add it? How to add something into array? Just add it to the end. Oh, wait a second. Do we really need this one? I mean, do we really need the selected ratings? Could you first find something that we can, do some selection on the result? Because in this case, we don't need all the movies, right? We just need a movie with selected ratings.
Yes, but when you first time you go to that page, you need to do that.
Okay. So if the first time we go to this page,
It should list all the movies.
yeah, it should list all the movies. So yeah, probably we need a condition at first. So which says if what is the condition? So if the ratings, I think if ratings is empty or something. If it is empty, so we just we just need to find all the movies, right? And then else, and I just need to figure out what is the correct ratings. So I think this part will be quite similar, right? So we just copy and paste, but the only difference is just this one, I think, because we don't need all the movies. So what should we use?
Where statement that you query.
Yeah,
You can query it in the database and to select all the movies with the rating.
I think we should use. Yeah, there's something in the instruction, so you probably end up replacing movie.or in the controller method with movie.where. Yes, and we need to figure out how to use this movie.where. And I will just check the instruction above because I'm afraid probably I missed something. I'm not sure. I just want to have a check.
I think I got something. Let me try.
Okay, yeah. Keep trying. Okay, ratings. So this ratings will be the parameter. Okay. Params. I think if you use the params, the inside of the bracket will be ratings, right? Because the name of the parameter is ratings. Ratings. You need an S, I think. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, what happened? Has been deleted. You delete something?
No, the project was done. What the?
Okay. I think luckily we just commit something, right?
I don't. I didn't do anything.
I also didn't do anything.
But why?
File removed. Keep tab open. Okay, I just say keep all open.
Yes.
Okay, luckily we have the the view and controller. That's all what we did. And I think we should better save it first, right? Because otherwise, if we close the tabs, everything will go.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just save it.
Saving somewhere.
Yeah, saving some local text files. Okay. After I save it, could you please download it? Create a new project.
Create a new project?
Yeah.
Okay. But do you know how to download it? Because you can meet. I think you can.
I'm not sure, but I just save it in a text file, and I have done everything. You can download the new one.
Why is happening?
It is pretty weird. I didn't do anything. I just see a window pop up which says this file is deleted.
Yes. Finished?
Yeah, I have finished. You can download it.
So download a new one.
Yeah, just download. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Have you created a new one?
No, I'm doing it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think it's great.
Okay.
It's just paste what you just saved.
Okay.
I think.
All right. So let me just close that. Don't say. Okay.
Controller and the view.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do the view first. So okay, view.
It's a server crash and all the things lost.
Okay.
I think also need to change
Yeah.
assets that
Oh yeah,
default
yeah, yeah.
CSS.
Then controller. Hmm? Okay, and the assets, the style sheet, default. Okay. Let's run it first to check if it is correct or not.
I think I changed something, so it's not wrong. It's not the same as the first commit. Because you add some if
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah,
thing.
yeah. It is
Reverse
in.
that. It's in the movie controller, I think.
Oh yeah, controller, and
I think you just first delete the if part of all the if part and then remain
oh yeah, I need it and
remain details.
yeah. Okay, it cannot code empty. Says undefined local variable or method. Oh, okay, I got it with progress. So it would be perhaps readings. Okay, still not good. What's a problem? So undefined method for. Okay, it is new.
New.
Okay.
Here. Okay.
Okay, movie dot or. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think if it is new, it will go like this one. So you have finished the where, right?
Probably.
Okay. So if we do something like this one, we should also copy and paste to the rest. So this is good. And then we just check the first one, refresh. Okay, not good. Wrong number of arguments. We don't have any arguments. Okay, what's the problem? So let me just check online to see how to use the where. Okay, I think the first one will be the name of that column in the schema, right? In the database. So database schema, and it is called rating. Okay, the first one is called rating, and then and then uh, I think on the internet it looks like this one. I'm not sure. I'll just have a try. Okay, still not good.
You still change ratings to rating?
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I think we should consider this error message, right? Because it says wrong number of arguments.
Expect one.
Yeah.
This should be keys.
Keys. Okay. So is that good? Oh yeah, it is good. Wait, let me just start from the beginning. We have all the movies. Let me just close this. We have all the movies, and then if I check the G, so we'll show the first three movies, right? Okay, refresh. Yeah, yeah, three movies, and we can go back. If we check the first three boxes, I think we should have 1, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 movies. 6, 7. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think it is good, right? So it is correct. Right? So we can simplify some of the codes. This one, delete it, delete it. Okay. Yeah, and I found another problem. So you can see in the instructions it says it is best if the controller set the variable by consulting the model. And then we should, so these ratings will be in models, right? Okay, so where's the models? What?
Okay.
So in the models,
Write a method and return.
So do you know how to do that? I'm not sure how to do it.
Okay.
It's expecting the all ratings. Okay, so you just create a class method in the movie class.
Yes.
And it says we should consult the model and return appropriate value for this collection. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, I don't think it is an instance method. It will be movie like this one because it is a class method.
Okay.
Let's run it and check if it is correct. I think we should close it first and rerun it. Yeah, everything is good. And I think that's it for the second part.
You can check.
Right.
You mentioned something.
Okay, check something, just the last two.
Yes.
The last two will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5, right? Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. And sorted.
Sorted.
Oh, okay. This is a problem. So as long as we sort something, yeah, I mean, as long as we sort something, we should also
sort what is selected.
Yeah, we should only sort what we selected.
So just
okay. You can see from this address. When we click the release date, it will just pass the sort pattern equal to date to the controller. Okay, so I think we still need to do something for. Wait, is it the third part or the second part? Oh, this is the third part.
Wow.
Yeah, this is part 3 because it says we need to remember the sorting and filtering settings.
So we have already done.
Yeah, we have already done the first 2 parts, and I think we can, just stop at here today.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, I will stop it.